Welcome to another Volvo video, my 2003 Volvo XC90, and in this video I'm going to be changing the front wiper blades. So the reason should become apparent. I think the sun's at the right angle as well, and it's something I noticed when I'm driving. I don't know if you can, don't know if it'll come well on camera, but this is what the screen's like. You know, even when I've done the, you know, squirt some screen wash, it smears all the muck, and it doesn't get it off. I actually washed the car a few days ago. I washed it on Friday before I went over to Thornwick Bay for a week, and I come back. And it's now Tuesday because it's day after bank holiday, but this is what the smearing's like. It's that bad, so obviously the wiper blades have gone, so that's the reason for changing them. So I'll get set up and I'll show you how easy it is to do. But before I do that, I'll just show you the sizes on this. This is a 2003 XC90. So you got two blades. One's longer than the other. Passenger side, that's 21 inch. And the one on the driver's side is 24 inch. So get it set up and get these blades swapped out. So I went for these from Euro Car Parts, and I thought it was worth it. Well, I think it was about 20 quid for the pair. You know, the 21 and the 24. I just went for the SP21 and the 24. I could have got those fancy ones, you like aero blades or ones with a spoiler like on this one, but I thought I'll just keep it simple. Just needs to wipe the screen clean, so I'll just set you up and we'll get started. Now I'm hoping the audio's better than last time, because I had a mic that fits onto the hot shoe of this DSLR, but now I've got an external mic and it's got a long cord, so it should be good. Okay, so it's time to change this one. Now how well you're going to see this one. I'll have to move the camera to a better position. No, it's just a bit awkward. I'll just have to move the camera, pan the camera up, probably move it back. There. Sorry if it's not a good angle. I'm so used to GoPro, so these just hook on. It's a really simple design. And the old one, I don't know if you can see, that's a Bosch. So we're basically replacing like for like. Well, on this one, there's a new one. And as you can see, they're the same. They've got the same fitting, the hook fitting. So if I've got this right, it should just hook straight on. That's a passenger one done. Right, so move on to driver's side. I don't know whether you're going to see this. So let's have a look. I'll have to check the camera. Yep. I don't think this DSLR's working out as well, unless I get a wide angle lens. So it's same as on the other side. It should just come off. There we go. Take it off, and here's our new one. And as you can tell, it's different, but the lengths are the same, which is what really matters. So again, hooking this one on. And this one's fighting me a bit, but there we go. And that is basically job done. Now I suppose the proof of the pudding will be if it works. I'm just getting got the microphone lead caught up, so I need to start her up. And we just screen wash. And straight away we're looking hell of a lot better, no smears. Probably need a bit more. Let's have a look, and that one, and it's definitely a whole lot better, so that's a nice easy confirm fix. It actually got through MOT, but obviously it's got worse since then, you know, as things do over time. So good in this video here. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a bit short. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.